How to know if your AliExpress account is approved for the affiliate marketing. Now, in order to know if your account is approved for affiliate marketing or not, you just simply need to go to your browser and search for AliExpress affiliate in there, and then open this first site of portals.aliexpress.com. Now, if you have already logged in to this page, this is great. If you have not, just simply log into the account which you have registered, and after logging in to that account from this page, if you can see your dashboard in your AliExpress affiliate marketing page, then that generally means that your affiliate account have been approved and you can use it. Also, you will get an email saying that your account have been approved for the affiliate marketing. You should also check that, and by doing these very easy things, you can very easily see if your affiliate marketing account is approved or not in AliExpress. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.